My room is disgusting. Today I woke up at 2 p.m. because last night was an Argentinian night and we didn't go home until the sun was up. So what a disaster of a day it is today. But I will take this time to clean up my freaking room because it's a Sunday, but I need some energy. I need some power in my body. So we're gonna take a nice cold shower and just nuke myself back into reality, and let's get going with our day. Okay, cold shower, let's go. Woo! Not that bad. Alright, no, it was not cold enough, so it's not that big of a deal. But now I'm ready to do something productive. Okay folks, so to clean the house, we obviously gotta start with the kitchen. Gonna make this spotless. I swear to God, if this is Belle calling me. What the hell? I want your fucking call. Yeah, call me again. See what happens. Call me again. Watch. See what happens if you call me again, idiot. You gonna do it again? Punk? Call me again. See what happens. That's how you win. They're not calling me back now. It's sunny. The video is up on YouTube. Yesterday's video. Today we will make another exciting video. The mate has given me life. I feel alive. So we're gonna go to the park. We're gonna crush some more ice cream. I cannot wait to go to bed tonight. All right, listen guys. I need you to hear me out, okay? Yes, this is exactly what I wore yesterday. Like, exactly. But I'm doing the exact same thing I did yesterday. The shirt doesn't smell. And why would I get another shirt dirty when I can just get this shirt dirty and then put it in the wash and it's made its use? Laundry here is kind of annoying, right? It's a bit of a hassle, gotta let it out to dry. So this is exactly what we're doing. Today's video or today's outfit is going to be called, let me think for a second. Enjoying the sun, enjoying the park, enjoying the moments in Argentina. Because I could stay home and do nothing, but when I'm back in Canada, that's all I do is stay home and do nothing. So here I'm going to enjoy the time in Argentina, something along those lines. Now let's freaking go. All right, we're on the search for Freddy, but if you guys want an idea of the atmosphere at a Sunday afternoon, 6 o'clock, December, we're just about the winter vacations, Christmas vacation now, so it's a very, very good atmosphere. So Freddy, what are we getting up to today?
Getting ice cream.
We are once again gonna crush some ice cream, gonna crush the park. I don't know if you guys remember what I said about Temple, right? This is Temple right over here. If this place is busy, you are in the right spot. And this is always, always busy, no matter what time, no matter what day. Always something going on over here.
Yeah.
I'm just telling him how I went to bed at 6 last night.
Dude, that's insane. I'm glad I didn't go, man.
It is Nicolo Helado time. Time to crush. We getting a cuarto again? A lot?
I'm doing an 8.
Boo!
Boo-hoo!
Alright, as per usual guys, I am going to be getting a cuarto kilo of ice cream. He is only getting an 1/8 because he is a wimp.
Because I'm poor. Send me money. My PayPal is free@gmail.com.
Professional yapper here guys. Today we're going to try some new flavors. I tried his banana split yesterday and it was unbelievable. We're eating well today folks.
It's getting big.
We are putting on some freaking body fat. This is how we do it. Gracias. And here's our gym, closed on Sundays for some reason. I'm here crushing my ice cream. All right, Freddy, you ready for the waitress update? We are now in not the best territory as I've been left undelivered for roughly 24 hours. This came right after I asked for the hangout. So my suspicion is that she thinks that I'm just a dumb tourist foreigner doing his thing. So I think she doesn't want that because she's a waitress and deals with foreigners all the time. So that is my suspicion. I am assuming that that book is now closed. Somebody told me yesterday that it's illegal to drink on the streets, but they don't actually really care. Somebody else has told me that it's not illegal to drink on the streets, so I actually have no idea. But the general consensus is you can drink on the streets. Yesterday we were in the lineup for the bar and they had a water bottle filled with Fernet and stuff like that, and they were drinking in the lineup. If you did that in Canada, they have like drink patrol and they're like patrolling the lineups, trying to find anybody with a possible drink. They find it, they throw it at you, they throw it onto the floor and stomp you and then curb stomp you. It's just a different lifestyle over here. He's setting up his camera. We're in the middle of death row. Look at this bus. Ready? It's an angry bus. Boom! 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 Couple cops over there doing their thing. He's gonna take a cheeky little video. And I'm gonna watch out for any. Oh my god! I'm gonna watch out for any thieves. This is how we do it in Argentina, folks.
We got the outside spot.
As stable as it gets.
Oh yeah. Can you do an L-sit?
What?
Can you do an L-sit? Come on. Hold the L-sit. Hold the L-sit. Spider-Man.
What's up guys, Marcus here, back with another video. Today,
Yeah, that's pretty good.
we're going to be hitting an L-sit for as long as possible. I'm going to pretend like it's not very hard.
The kid is impressed by you.
Alright, Mr. L-sit, let's see your freaking L-sit, huh?
Let's go. Oh, I feel my quads from that.
Nada. She's looking at me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but everybody is really short. Like, comically short. Oh my god! Alright guys, we're back from our day out. Now I don't even know what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna eat my eggs and beef without salt. And I'm listening to The Office, if you can hear him. And burn my bread.
Olive, do you want me to stop dating your mom? Is that how we're gonna get past this? Because I will.
Yes.
Well, that is not gonna happen.
Then why'd you even offer?
But everything has a shelf life, so I must eat and